Alrighty, so for the people farming Monad, I'm not sure if you used MintAura.io yet, but if I were you, I would check if you have. If not, start using it now, because Season 2 kind of just started. Season 1 just ended. You got 86 days, and right now, I could be wrong, but if you click on this, and you paste your address in there, click check eligibility, you might have some tokens to claim. Now, you're going to need some Ethereum on base mainnet in order to claim this, because for some reason, MintAura is, I guess it's on the base mainnet, but I've been using it to purchase Somnia NFTs, Monad NFTs, and SaharaAI NFTs, which were all testnets. 29 tokens I was able to claim. There's nothing here yet. I don't exactly know when the tokens are going to arrive, but we're going to go through and we're going to claim all these. I already did it on all of these. I have at least just like $1 in Ethereum on the base mainnet on these, just in case, aside from this one and then 2 other ones, which are my base farming ones, which have like $25 on it. These ones have all been claimed already. Got a good amount there. MintAura token, we got 20 on this account, 80 on this one. Oh yeah, no, if I'm not wrong, I think I actually bought 50. I think I bought 50 on the pre-sale. 27, 26. So yeah, for season 2, all you got to do is just go to the main page, scroll down, and then they have all these NFTs. You got Monad, base, Monad, OG testnet, MegaETH, Monad, Somnia, SaharaAI testnet, Monad, Lens testnet. I guess this is a new one. I haven't seen this one before. And then Monad. So as you can see, I have nothing on here. And after I claim all of these tokens, I'm going to go through and I'm going to buy all the free ones. They're all free. Even some of the base ones, because they're free. You just got to pay the transaction fee, which should be less than $1. If not, I could be wrong. Transaction fee for NFTs could be just under $1 or around there. But either way, check your eligibility for that airdrop. This one, I've yet to claim it. So we're going to go back, copy my address, paste it in there, check eligibility. 27. Lovely. We're claiming it. 29 tokens. Lovely. Yeah, your fee on this is not even a cent. Activity, nothing. Cost nothing. Got the last address on this one. Reloading it. Drop it in. Check eligibility. 21 tokens. These are probably going to be worth fuck all as well, but hey, it's free money from the air. It is free money. And by doing this, we're also increasing our transactions on the base addresses and possibly upgrading our chances to get an airdrop on base. So I've just claimed on all those. Lovely. And time to do the last one. So I'm going to go to Mint. I was doing my Rise tasks, so I'm going to go to base, copy that. I'm going to make sure we connect it. Got to make sure we're connected. Go to that airdrop. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. 27. So we got anywhere from about 20 to 30 tokens. Not bad. Not bad. You could have more if you've gotten in on the pre-sale. I'll show what the pre-sale is after I've done all these. We're going to reload that. Go down to the next one. Copy. Ooh, this one's got less ETH on it. This one's got less ETH. 27 tokens. Firm. Reload it. This one's going to have the most because this is one of my farming ones. You got 30. Ooh, we got a, like, this was, that's an airdrop. That's new, but that's down 20%. 5 cents worth. Not too bad. See, we just got a lot of this stuff has been airdropped. That was airdropped, and airdropped. So I think they are worth money, but sometimes I don't even really want to interact with them. You never know. Sometimes it can be scam tokens. 31. Lovely. These ones are going to have the most just because I was actually buying stuff with base on them. Confirm. And now we're going to do the last one here. Copy that address and boom, 21. Now, luckily season 2 is literally like just started. So you literally have 86 days. You have 3 months to basically get as many points as you can on your profile and claimed. All right, here we go. So we got no NFTs. We got MintAura tokens. We got 21 of those. Total XP 0. Season 2 ends in 86 days, 4 hours, and 54 minutes. This is the pre-sale. This is what I was talking about. I went here and I bought 50 Aura for total of 0.00015 ETH. We'll see how much this is worth. I don't have enough in here to purchase it, but we'll see if it pops up. It might even pop up because I don't have enough in my, we're going to switch. Here we go. To buy 50 is, I have no idea because it's not popping up. All right. Oh, I guess I don't know how much it is. But either way, you can just put it in and see how much 0.00015 ETH is worth. It's probably like $1. Or we're just going to go down. This first one here, we're going to click on that. That says you got to complete these tasks. No, you don't. Just click on it, and click on it. This one, and there we go. Just let those load. Just let them load. Check mark already. Check mark. See, just gotta let them load. That's all you gotta do. And then we're gonna do the max NFT. You can mint 5 at a time. You get 50 XP per NFT. So you mint 5, you get 250 XP. We're gonna click that. It'll tell you you reached the max limit. See if this switches. Yep, it's switched over to my. Come on. Okay, is it not gonna let me mint the max amount? See if I can mint 1. Drop claim exceed limit. All right, I just switched to a different address. Do it again, see if it'll allow me to mint it. Sometimes it's buggy. It's testnets. Testnets are buggy. We'll let it load. Yeah, that's how it is sometimes with these tasks. Sometimes they don't work. Sometimes they do. If they don't, come back to it another day. Click mint. It's got to switch over to monad. There we go. The amount in transaction fees, that cost me 0.01 monad. It's a testnet, so it's literally nothing. We go here and let it load. We got 50 points now, and we got 1 NFT. Beautiful. So what we can do is we can come back, reopen these. Gotta let it load again. Gotta let them load. And then I'm just gonna mint another 4, so I can have 5. And then I should have 250 XP in there. And then you can go through all the NFTs, get as much XP as you can, and then hopefully by the end of season 2, you will be able to get a nice little airdrop. Kind of how I got 20 or so tokens. Why is it doing that? It's only letting me mint one at a time now? All right. Well, we get the gist of it. You can see I've minted 1, total of 50 XP per NFT minted. You can mint 5 per NFTs, and then you can come back another time, mint another 5 or so. The max you can mint at one time is 5, but there's the quantity you can have is unlimited, so you can just stack your points up. And I'm assuming the more points you have, the more MintAura tokens you're gonna get at the end of this season. So feel free to, make some transactions. Make sure you're farming on Monad, Base, OG Testnet, maybe, might be shit. MegaETH, SaharaAI just finished, and we're gonna check out Lens Testnet possibly. But yeah, keep farming, keep making that free money, and have fun. And links will be in the description down below.
So I think I just might buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip.